One of the biggest major problem a English learner face, that is their mind goes blank when they try to speak something in English. They can understand English movie, videos, or they can even read newspaper, book, article in English. But when time to speak, their mind goes blank. They don't know what to say. Words does not come out from their mouth. They totally goes blank when time to speak. Why it happens? It happens because of lack of practice, lack of confidence. But I would like to clarify one thing: this is not a vocabulary problem, this is not a pronunciation or accent problem, this is not even material problem. This is a lack of confidence or lack of practice that hold you back from speaking English fluently. You might have been noticed one thing. Your grammar is good, your pronunciation is good, or even your accent is fine. You have abundance of vocabulary word in your mind, but still you can't able to speak or you can't able to articulate your thought perfectly in English. Hey everyone, this is Deepak. In today's video, we are going to talk about how can you speak directly without thinking too much or without translating from your mother tongue to English. So before start this video, I would like to request you one thing: hit that subscribe button and give it a like. So let's dive. So first thing that you need to do is speak with confidence. Even when you don't know any word, speak with confidence. This is the main point where you can become fluent in English. So speak with confidence and clarity without worrying about your grammar, your accent, or even your pronunciation. So this is the main spot where you can become fluent in English. When the moment you stop worrying about accent, pronunciation, speak with confidence, your English word will automatically come out from your mouth. So whenever time to speak with clarity and confident. For instance, if you can मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, I am 100% sure you can say it in English. I am going to drink water. So speak with clarity and confidence. So it will boost your confidence. Word will automatically come out from your mouth. So the more you speak with confidence, the better you will become fluent in English. Second, shadowing practice. Oh my god, this is the practice that I mention in my every single video. I know you might aware of this about it, but I want to break this down for you. This is a practice that used by many English learner, teacher, even CEOs who want to improve their communication skill as well as English skill. So play a clip of a native speaker who you admire most and copy them with the same rhythm, tone, accent, pronunciation, body language without any agitation. So this is a very practice that make you fluent in English. So this is the practice that improved my vocabulary, communication skill, pronunciation. So that's what I want you to start doing this practice from today. Third, record yourself. This might be sound cringy, but this is a powerful technique that you can use in order to become fluent in English. So simply you have to pick your phone and start talking on any random topic. You can describe your goal, daily basis routine, your future plan, and whatever you are going to do or what that you interest on, you can record on your phone by speaking yourself without worrying grammar, tenses, pronunciation, practice. And I am 100% sure this will make you sound native and this will make you fluent in English in less time. So start doing this exercise from today. I hope you guys are getting my point. So start doing this exercise from today and I promise you this will definitely make you fluent in English one day. I would like to add one more thing in my list, that is practice. I am going to spell out for you. PRACTICE, practice. Yes, you heard me right. Practice is indispensable for anyone who wants to master any languages. So if you are someone who trying to master any language without practicing, it is totally waste of time. So start practice your English. I am not one who say this. Millions of people say this. Practice is indispensable for anything, whatever you have to do, whatever you have to accomplish in your life. So start practice as soon as possible. Without practice, you will never become fluent in English. Guys, my humble request to you guys, please pick one exercise and start doing from today without wasting your time. So I am about to end this video. If you like this video, then like this video and hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Share with your friend who want to improve their spoken English. I will see you in the next video.